Want to learn Python functions? In this video, I'll cover how to define, call, and pass arguments. Plus, we'll explore return values. Let's dive in.
So what exactly is a function in Python? A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, you can define a function once and call it whenever needed. Functions help organize, simplify, and reduce repetition in your programs. Check out this example. Def greet. Here, def keyword used to define a function. Greet, function name. Print, hello, welcome to Python. Is the code inside the function that runs when it is called. Now, how do you call a function? Simply use its name followed by parentheses. Python greet. This gives an output. Hello, welcome to Python. When you call a function, it runs the code inside the function. What if you want your function to accept inputs? That's where parameters and arguments come in. Def greet, name. Greet Alice. Print, hello, name. Here, name is a parameter, and when we call the function, Alice is an argument, passed to the parameter name. Functions can also return values instead of just printing output. Def add a, b, return a plus b. Result equal sign add, 5, 3, print result, hash output, 8. In this example, the function returns a value that is stored in variable result. Python allows default arguments, so if no value is provided, a default is used. Def greet, name and guest. Greet, hash output, hello guest. Greet Sam, hash output. Hello Sam. Here, if no name is provided, guest is used as the default value for the argument name.
In Python, keyword arguments allow you to pass values to a function by explicitly specifying the parameter name. This makes function calls more readable and lets you pass arguments in any order. Def describe pet, animal name. Describe underscore pet, name equal sign kitty, animal equal sign cat. Now, kitty is assigned to name and cat is assigned to animal. Let's recap what we learned today. Defining and calling functions. Passing arguments and using return values. Using default and keyword arguments. Functions make Python code reusable and powerful. Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below on what you want to learn next. Don't forget to turn on notifications for more Python tutorials.